Hey, good morning. So happy Friday, right? I woke up and this is me in the morning, about ready to go out for my morning walk. But I wanted to share with you what I like to do for breakfast, which is a quick 70-second breakfast sandwich with the new breakfast sandwich maker. I don't know about you, but for me in the mornings, something sweet is just not going to cut it for me. And a lot of times I even go for last night's supper leftovers for breakfast. But since I got the breakfast sandwich maker, I've been making these things like mad. And they're costing me hardly anything because eggs are cheap, cheese slices or cheese is cheap, and then you have your English muffins and whatever kind of meat that you want to put on. So you can customize it however you want to. So I'm going to share with you how you can make this happen. If you aren't eating breakfast, this is a great way to have breakfast in the morning that's going to last you till lunch. And if you are eating breakfast and just not getting the satisfaction that you need out of that, I highly recommend this. So let me just aim this down so you can see what's happening here with the breakfast sandwich maker. So the breakfast sandwich maker actually comes with all of these four pieces that you see here, minus the English muffin. So what I did is I just sprayed this with a little nonstick cooking spray. There's a little reminder in the bottom of this that just says, don't forget to whip up the yolk. You don't want to leave a whole egg in there without cracking the yolk up because it will explode in the microwave. So you want to make sure that you whip that together. And I'm just going to use my scraper. You can use a fork. It doesn't really matter as long as it gets all mixed up. So that's that, really quick and easy. Then you're going to do some kind of a fully cooked protein or even vegetables. I've got some bacon here that I had left over from a different recipe. And I'm actually going to keep this out for a moment. You just put this on top, just like this. So 3 little levels helps keep everything separated. I'm going to pop it in the microwave for 40 seconds. While that's cooking, I'm going to give you some other ideas for fully cooked meats. So you can do ham slices, just like simple deli ham. You can do Canadian bacon. Of course, you can do the bacon that I already showed you. There's also some really great pre-cooked turkey sausage options. There's both the crumble style and the patty style. Or if you happen to just have some pre-cooked pork sausage, breakfast sausage, that works as well. So you've got all of these different ingredients just at the ready that you pull out and put together in a breakfast sandwich. So it literally costs you cents on the dollar to make a breakfast sandwich, and it literally takes you 70 seconds. Okay, so there's the first 40 seconds here. So I'm gonna take this out. So here's what it looks like when it's all together. Breakfast sandwich maker, you can kind of see, got the little PC symbol there. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna post my link so that you can check this out if you want to and take a look at how to purchase it. So I'm gonna tilt you down here. So I just took the lid off, just the lid. I'm not gonna take anything else out right now. Just gonna put my English muffin in the top piece right here that I've already pre-cut. And it's only gonna go in now for another 30 seconds. But let me tell you, instead of an English muffin, you could do a street-size taco tortilla. That works, it fits perfectly in there. It's awesome. You can also do the little bagels. You can do a bagel thin. You can do whatever kind of bread you like to put with your sandwich. And basically it's just gonna steam it for 30 seconds and you have everything together cooked, but then you just assemble it when we get it done. So it's gonna pop out in 3, 2, 1, beep. See how fast this is? Everybody has eggs, everybody has English muffins, right? Or cheese or some kind of meat. So let me show you how this works. Again, all right, so I'm taking the top off. I am going to have my plate here for assembly. So this is pretty hot. I've got my piece of pepper jack cheese. I like that in the morning. Then I'm gonna put my bacon on. And then my egg, which, use my spatula, it just pops right out. Look at that, you can see that? You just set that on there and it's the perfect size for your English muffin bread. And there, that's breakfast. Isn't that amazing? So pop that, you can wrap this up in some foil, take it with you. Eat it right now before you go to work. You can even make a bunch of them and throw them all in the freezer wrapped individually in parchment paper or freezer wrap paper and put them in a bigger like Ziploc container or some kind of a bigger container. So all you have to do is take one out and throw it in the microwave for like a minute after it's been cooked all the way. And you will have breakfast at the ready every single day of the week. Now this is something that actually we just got back from a vacation, and it was a camping vacation. So I took my breakfast sandwich maker. We had a microwave with inside the camper, and we made these all the time. It helped us get going right away in the morning to wherever we wanted to go, and also helped us last until lunch so that we didn't have to worry about, oh, I'm hungry and it's only 9 o'clock. So breakfast sandwiches in less than 70 seconds for less than $1. Seriously, it's probably like 50 cents. And it's using the new breakfast sandwich maker with all of the pieces that you see here. So if you're interested in taking a look at it, I'm going to post the link to the breakfast sandwich maker right in the comments right after the video, and you can take a look for yourself. And if it's something you want to purchase, thanks, Alex. Love milk. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.